No. When I published the great Indian novel in 1989, which was a satirical retelling of the Mahabharata, I already made the point that because we're studying in English medium doesn't mean we should not know our epics. I think there's no problem in reading in our school days the Mahabharata, the Ramayana and so on, and the Gita is very much a part of our ancient civilization and history. To give it in Russian means conveying to another culture some of the essential lessons that we have learned from our civilizational heritage and spiritual heritage. I see absolutely nothing wrong in that. It's not an attempt to convert Mr. Putin to Hinduism. It's a way of just showing him something that he can understand in his language. It's a fine gesture because it reflects what we are. If you look at Mr. Modi's gifts that were publicized in the papers, that was only 1 out of 7 or 8 gifts. And there were very many other things, from Assam tea to silver objects, handicrafts and so on. So we are giving aspects of our culture to a foreign visitor. There's nothing wrong in that.